Are you looking for Epify hair removal cream reviews? If yes, then this video will be a help. First, start with whatever they are mentioning over their website, epifyusa.com, and after that you will see few real customer remarks about this product. Please watch this video till the end. 100% toxin-free and organic Epify provides smooth body hair removal with all natural ingredients. In regular use, it dries out hair follicles forever. With its unique formula, quickly removes body hair in 30 seconds. You will start to see changes even from first use. Epify does not irritate the skin while removing hair. If you're not satisfied by any reason, well, they would offer you free return and full cashback within 30 days from the day of delivery. Now, it is the time to see real-time customer remarks about this product. Read what are they saying in their Epify hair removal cream reviews.